Today I'm going to be reviewing the Harmony One Universal Remote Control. Had this remote for a while, but I just finally got around to writing a review for it. The best thing about the remote is the different activities you can select. You can name them whatever you want, set them up with your own components. You can add custom actions to turn on things like your air conditioner at the same time, turn off your air conditioner, adjust your lights for a movie, things like that. It's a touchscreen top, which is nice. You can watch things like watch TV. You can even add custom actions to your computer, like watch Netflix if your computer has a remote. You can set it to play a video game, or if you have multiple video game systems, you can select different systems. You also have all the original remote controls. You can see my receiver, the computer, game console, media center computer. The best thing about the Harmony One is compared to some of the other remotes. I've used the Harmony 1100, which is nice, but it didn't have enough hard buttons. Harmony One has hard buttons for most of your usual activities, your volume, channel, pause, play, record, the numbers, things like that. And then if you're using Media Center, I use this plus button in Media Browser to bring up the top menu, which is a nice feature. On the back of the remote, it's a nice soft touch coating, as well as rechargeable panels. This remote doesn't require you to buy batteries. You just charge it whenever you need to. Usually it'll last me 3 or 4 days. So it does have to be charged off, but also the battery's pretty old, so with the newer battery, you shouldn't experience that. The remote can learn from other remotes, so it has the learning panel at the bottom. When you set it up, it'll let you learn any controls it doesn't already have in its system. And that's a great feature. There's also different options you can use. There's tutorial, you can change the date and time, adjust the sensitivity. Overall, it's a great remote. The only complaint that I have is the programming system's a little bit confusing. It definitely took a while to get set up, but once it was set up, it worked great. And for the price, you can usually get them for about $100. I highly recommend it.